Once greeting to everyone, my name is Alarka. Today I am going to demonstrate to you a burglar alarm using IR sensor. Let us build it first. This is the power module. These are connecting wires. This is an IR sensor. This is a battery connector. This is a battery. This is a sensor base. This is a sound module. And now let us make the circuits. From this power module output we will go to sensor base input. And from sensor base output to sound module input. And we will connect this IR sensor to the sensor base sensor input. Our connections is ready. Let us see how it works. When an object is detected by the IR sensor, it will send a signal to the sensor base, and sensor base will send a signal to sound module to ring the buzzer. Now let's see how it works in real time. We are installing it to a temple, and it's hidden with this, that the thief can't see the IR sensor. So when the thief comes, it's making a sound that it's using the alert that a thief has come, and so it's coming. The police is coming to catch him. Thanks everyone.